For those who persist, excellence overtakes time. For those who march on, every fulfilled dream forms the foundation for a new one, bigger and finer. One company has been pioneering new trends, spearheading change, and gaining rapid ground on the high road to industry leadership. Koncept Ambience. 1999 will go down in history as the year that introduced the concept of gated communities to India. Koncept Ambience made it happen. Whisper Valley. This path-breaking project initiated a new lifestyle that married villa-style living with apartment-style conveniences. Occupying 13 acres of prime land, this residential township triggered off a new trend in the Indian housing scenario. New Age thinking. It is this faculty that differentiates Koncept Ambience from its industry counterparts. Swapnalok Complex, Hyderabad. A trendsetter and the city's first of its kind shopping and commercial complex. The proud winner of the National Design Award 1989 for its architect, this project marked the beginning of Koncept Ambience's remarkable journey of perfection. Koncept Ambience belongs to the genre of tech biz pioneers who have realized and understood that the need to keep up with change is real and immediate. Since its inception, the company has consistently broken new ground, upgraded itself in tandem with every swoop in technology, met each change and challenge head-on, and today stands fortified with a determination to continue to be proactive, prepared, and pertinent. Over 3 decades of strong innovation, undivided customer focus, and incessant quest for world-class quality have enabled Koncept Ambience to attain and sustain excellence in creating life-defining living spaces. A wealth of talent, expertise, and experience is the backdrop against which Koncept Ambience works. Each of Koncept Ambience's completed projects stands in a league of its own in terms of aesthetic splendor and sheer practicability. Its series of evolved lifestyle communes display an innate ability to exceed expectations and create refined ambiences that spell comfort and style. There are many characteristics that define a Koncept Ambience home. Distinctive design, world-class amenities, innovative add-ons, prompt service, and above all, happy residents. Ambience Fort, Ambience Canton, Ambience Anthem, Palm County. Koncept Ambience's proprietary lifestyle club brand, The Walden. Each of these names evoke images of a revitalized way of life and have raised the performance bar considerably for residential space developers. And then on its way to completion is Casa Estebana. With this project, the largest ever Spanish-style luxury homes commune in Asia. Koncept Ambience is ready to deliver fully on its promise of recreating international lifestyles on the shores of India. Currently, projects are underway at various locations in Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Jaipur, Visakhapatnam and Tirupati. At Koncept Ambience, history is rewritten every moment. Rewritten for a purpose, for a glorious tomorrow, for making life a vibrant palette of luxury, a colorful canvas of joy, for making life an unending celebration.